Hi, this is Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and I thought I would share with you today my plans for the Bunco party that I am hosting at my house tonight. Now, we have 12 ladies in our Bunco group, so we always have 3 tables. And if you are familiar with Bunco, it is a game of dice that you play. Doesn't require much thinking, and it's a great way to get together with your friends and catch up on what they've been up to lately. Because when we're playing Bunco, we really don't have to think very much. Now, our Bunco hostess in each of our games is the one who provides dinner for our group. And my theme for our Bunco, and we often do themes with our group, my theme tonight is for us to dress up as our favorite literary characters. And each of us has to come dressed, and we'll try to guess who their character is after everyone arrives. And so, carrying out that theme, I have decorated our 3 Bunco tables with different themes based on classic books. And I also am having a high tea sort of theme for the dinner that we're going to be having. And I'll share with you my menu for our dinner a little bit later. But I thought I would take you around. We'll be playing Bunco out in my garden, which is always fun to be outdoors in the evening in August. And so I will take you around to each of the tables, and you can see how I've decorated them with a little tablescape. And then I'll talk to you about our menu for our sort of British themed high tea. Okay, so I will be back with you in just a minute to give you a little tour of our tables. On this tablescape, I am featuring Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. And you can see we have the White Rabbit, we have the Queen of Hearts, and the other hearts. We have some teacups. And there's the book cover. And of course we have to have a candle at each place. So that is one of my Bunco tables. And we'll swing around this way to see my second one. Which is featuring F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby. And for those of you who have read The Great Gatsby, you know it took place during the Roaring 20s when ladies wore feather boas and lots of pearls and had lots of silver and gold. So that is what I have used on this tablescape. I'll come back a little bit for you. Then I'll turn around and try to go slowly here. And on up my steps to my back porch. On this tablescape, I have featured A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, and I have included my Dickens carolers from the Victorian era, and some lace, of course, and we have just a Christmas theme here for this classic story. This is my kitchen island. And I used my island here for the buffet for the British high tea. And these were mostly finger foods. I made mini quiches and cucumber sandwiches. I had a fruit salad and a vegetable tray. And then I also made 2 kinds of finger sandwiches with meats. And I used a recipe from the Pioneer Woman for a garden spread and used that. It was made with cream cheese and different vegetables and so on. But spread that on the bread, and on some I put turkey, and on some I put ham. And then additionally for dessert, I made lemon bars and a quick bread, sweet quick bread that is, with mini chocolate chips, because I love chocolate and gotta always have chocolate with your dinner for dessert. Then I also offered my guests a cold hibiscus tea and black tea. And lastly, for an adult beverage, I offered them Pim's Cup, which is a British drink as well. And that, was something for our adult beverage that we could enjoy for the evening. So that was my menu, and I think all the ladies will have a good time and enjoy this dinner. And I hope you all will maybe take an idea from this and enjoy using your garden for some kind of party and get together with your friends in the future. Enjoy!